How to prepare for MRCOG 3. So once you have passed your part 2, decide to appear in part 3 according to availability, and apply for visa and start booking courses if you are a foreign candidate, because this process may take some time, and you can book two type of courses. Online courses are also available, as well as there are many courses inside the UK at different cities and different places. And if you are a non-UK trainee, you must at least book two courses. And in the meanwhile, you have to start practice of OSCE. If you are alone, you can do self-practice in front of mirror, and actually it is very important part of preparation, as you can see yourself how you look, what are your face expressions, how much is your confidence and comfort, and you can do a sort of self-assessment in this way, which is really very important part of the performance. And you can have a study partner. It is also very important, because in this way both of you will stay motivated, and you can keep discussion of various scenarios with each other, and you can point out each other's mistake. There are many books on OSCE which can be used, but two most important books are one by Tony Hollingworth. It is really very good and important book for OSCE, and other one is the Get Through OSCE by Justin Clark. It is also very good book. And for the theory, you have to revise guidelines, patient information leaflets, and consent advice. Moreover, there are role play videos which are available on the e-learning program or strategy, and they can give an idea of how the role players will be behaving, and how the doctor have to communicate with the role player. Moreover, if you will book any course, you will attend any course, then you have to concentrate upon the comments which will be given by the course coordinator to you, because it will improve your performance. They will highlight some of your problems, and it will improve your performance. One night before exam, it is better to stay near college or exam center and familiarize yourself with the environment. And you have to reach college or center well before time, and dress up comfortably with a proper dress code. You must look professional, and at the same time you must be comfortable with your clothes and shoes. Once inside the hall, focus on the current station, and once you have moved from one station to another one, forget about the performance on the previous station, because performance on each and every station matters. And you have to pay attention to body language of role players, and focus on each and everything said by the role player or examiner, because it may be a part of the answer key. And remember, it's not only about theory, but communication skill, clinical application of knowledge, and how to keep yourself with a role player or examiner, how you carry them with you throughout the scenario. It is very important. And detailed information about OSCE is also available on MRCOG Manchester website, which is totally free of cost, and by Dr. Tom McFarlane, and it is really very helping. And good luck for the exam.